Mindfulness is the practice of bringing one's attention to the present moment. It is the way of training your mind to stay calm and improve your mental state. Let's start the another interesting session. For that, I would like to invite Mrs. Poonam Jha ma'am to the desk to introduce the topic and to start this session.
Thank you, Vinci, for the lovely introduction. Most humble greetings and good afternoon to one and all present over here. First of all, I would like to say that I consider myself to be nobody in this august gathering. So please don't consider me a resource person for this in-house training session. Reverend Father, our principal, is not here. I hope that he will be reaching over here within a while from now. So, Reverend Father, Regis Varghese, Principal, MGM Higher Secondary School, Mr. Tony Thomas, Vice Principal, Prabha Ma'am, Ansi Ma'am, and dear friends. On behalf of MGM Fraternity and my personal behalf, I welcome you all to this in-house training session, and the topic you can see, cultivation of mindful thinking inside and outside the classrooms. What is mindfulness? What do you mean by mindful thinking? Mindfulness is to be in present, to stay calm, to slow down, to cultivate, to imbibe, to give students symbiotic relationship between us and them. And how and why we are going to have this session today regarding all that. Why do we need this mindfulness? How can we develop this mindful thinking inside and outside the classrooms? And why this mindfulness? For that, I would like to share a few things over here. It's an information for those who are new to this institution, who have joined recently or an year or 2 years back like that. And it's a reminder for those who are working over here for last 10 to 15 years or more than that. Dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, we used to have this in-house training session, but that time it was carried out in a different manner. The pattern was different, the system was different. Whoever used to join in this institution, then suppose somebody has joined in English department, then whoever is the senior most teacher in English department, that particular new teacher used to sit in that class at the back bench of that particular class. Maybe a newcomer, a new entrant, very knowledgeable, but he or she cannot be that experienced who is the senior most in that particular department. So what used to happen? Definitely, they used to have the idea how to control the class. What are the pros and cons? How do we have some knowledge? How to interact with the students? So, CBSE has introduced this in-house training session during pandemic times, 2021 and then running 21-22. But MGM is a trend setter. MGM has created history a long back regarding this in-house training session, my dear friends. That's why I said it's a reminder for the old ones and an information for the new teachers. Secondly, I would like to share that what was the state of academics. So far as academics is concerned, Bokaro Steel City has created history, highlighted and glorified in the year 1994 when Prasun Kumar Jha has become All India topper rank 1 in IIT JEE. And in the cover page of Times of India Delhi edition, the entire first page was backed by DPS Bokaro, and from that time only, this city was a name to reckon. And after 4 years, in the same year 1994, 11 students were there under 100. 11 students, a remarkable thing. It was a history really, my dear teachers, educators, you know. And from that time only, Bokaro Steel City is known for its academics. But simultaneously, at the same time, I would like to say that this was the result of 1994, but I have joined this institution in the year 1996. And in 98, our first batch has appeared. And in 1999, 2 students, that too they were girls, Tripti Seth Mehta and Priyanka Shri, they cracked IIT Prabha ma'am, she knows them. So, you see, that time in IIT JEE, not like that current scenario that 15,000 and 20,000 seats were not there, only 2,000, and amongst that 2 students, that too they were girls and they have cracked IIT. After that, in 2012, Ashutosh Pathak, he created history and he got 123, 1, 2, 3, such a coveted rank that nobody can ever dare to forget that rank. And presently, he has his own startup, and what he is doing is tremendous. It's really a history. This is what our achievement in the field of academics. Thirdly, coming to sports. Definitely, we have stayed very high in the field of sports. And nowadays, in the school, we have inter-class, inter-house, inter-sahodaya, on district level also, we have so many competitions. But few years back, we had CBSE cluster of basketball, and in that 32 schools in this zonal level it was, 32 schools have participated, and it was a grand success. And our MGM staff, they have worked relentlessly, tirelessly, day and night, and what the program was, those who were present at that time, they know it very well. And finally, coming to discipline. My first point was that we are a trendsetter in the field of in-house training. Secondly, in the field of academics. Thirdly, sports. And coming to discipline, I would like to share, here I don't remember, that SP was Mr. Anil Panda. He was a Javarian, and normally every year we used to have cultural program on the eve of Independence Day. So in Bokaro Club, the program was there. That time we were not that technically sound. And this many placards, this, that and all were not there. Reporting time was 5:30. In a school bus, all the students, they were boarded and they have reported over there. And at the beginning itself, MGM school, their serial number was 3rd. And when they were checking, the pen drive was not working properly. And the narration part was there. And the girl who was groomed for that, then whatever she was saying, it was not audible at that time. So what happened, that I was informed, I was staying nearby only, so I was informed, immediately I rushed and I reached to the place. And even if the program was not running smoothly, there was hitch and hiccup, so many disturbances. And every school, they were given a flag of their own school, and students, they were holding that flag, and in front of that particular team leader, the entire school participants, they were just sitting over there. And all the schools, I tell you honestly, all the schools, they were making chaos like anything. They were disturbing the gathering, and Mr. Palta, in his introductory speech, he said, can we have a big clap for LGM students who are sitting so quietly in such a disciplined manner. Everyone should learn from this particular school. Everyone should learn from this particular school. And just a couple of weeks before Mr. Palta, he was the chief guest in our school. So, ladies and gentlemen, in the field of trendsetter, in the field of system, then academics, sports, and finally discipline. But in post-pandemic times, what has happened? When we go to class, we can see our children, they are not at all paying attention. They are so restless. Right from the first period, they are eating their tiffins. No concentration. They are neither in a mood to write, nor in a mood to study. Nothing. After each periodic interval, they have to go to washroom. And so very restless they are. Why did it happen? Why this continues? Where are we wrong? Where does the system go wrong? Why this has happened? And that is why I thought of something, a topic which can really cultivate, which can really imbibe, which can really give some fruitful things to our children and us as well. Next, children. And to cultivate this mindfulness, the shlok which is reflecting on the screen, you can see, I hope that everybody must have come across this shlok in their childhood. You must have read this, you must have studied this, and no need to say about this shlok. The shlok says about the 5 basic characteristics of a student. And each one of us is a student, was a student in our life. And left hand side, they are the byproducts. They are the byproducts which we are talking every now and then whenever we go to our classes. And the shlok is, Kaka Cheshta Bako Dhyanam Shwan Nitra Tathavacha Anpahari Grihatyagi Vidyarthina Panchalakshanam. Vidyarthina, it should be, however it is written over there, Vidyarthi. In Sanskrit, it has to be Vidyarthina. Vidya means knowledge, Arthi means desires, who say. So, it is the students only, and every student must possess these 5 characteristics in their life. Either I am a teacher or a student. But every student must possess, and this must be cultivated in every student's life. And the first one is Kaka Cheshta. Everybody knows Kaka means crow, Cheshta means efforts. Efforts like a crow. सभी लोगों ने सुना होगा उस प्यासे कौवे की कहानी, thirsty crow, that in search of water the crow was flying around and finally he could find a pitcher, but the level of water inside the pitcher was so low, and then afterwards pebbles by pebbles, while adding, somehow the level of water came up and then the crow quenched its thirst. Dear friends, एक पक्षी, एक कौवा अगर इतनी चेष्टा कर सकता है, एक जानवर के पास अगर इतना प्रयत्न करने की शक्ति हो सकती है, we are human beings, and that too we are pentadactyls. Do you know what does it mean, pentadactyls? Yes. And एक तो मुट्ठी और दूसरी इस अंगूठे से इस उंगली को हम पकड़ सकते हैं, और जैसे ही हमने इन दोनों को पकड़ा, हमारे हाथ में आ गया कलम. And the moment you get a pen, it can do wonders, my dear educators. तो अगर एक पक्षी, एक कौवा, उससे भी हम सीख सकते हैं कि वो अपनी प्यास बुझाने के लिए अगर इतनी चेष्टा कर सकता है, तो हम तो मनुष्य हैं, हमारे पास तो वो है जो किसी के पास भी नहीं है. कहते हैं हम चिंपांजी के वंशज हैं, लेकिन चिंपांजी और मनुष्य में यही बेसिक डिफरेंस है कि चिंपांजी अपने अंगूठे से इसको नहीं पकड़ सकता है, बट वी कैन डू. So efforts like Akro. Then comes Bako Dhyanam. Bako means Bagula. Okay, crane. So focus. Dhyanam means focus. Focus like a crane. If you have seen a crane, how he is standing on one leg and he allows the small fishes to pass by. इस तरह से छोटी मछलियों को वो पार होने देता है and he is just waiting for the big fish to come in. Is it? If the crane gets satisfaction with the small fishes itself, he is going to lose that big fish in his life. Likewise, if we or our children, they should have plan A. Plan A means plan A. IIT matlab IIT. If they think at the beginning itself, nahi IIT to NIT, nahi NIT to BITSET, nahi BITSET to koi na koi private premium college, from there itself, deviation, distraction, hindrance, all these negative things happen. मैं ये नहीं कहती प्लान बी भी कुछ लोगों के लिए they can have difference of opinion कि हमें शायद नहीं हुआ तो सिविल सर्विसेज ठीक है मेरी इच्छा IAS, IPS, IRS नहीं कुछ तो इनकम टैक्स में जाना है like that students they plan. लेकिन उसमें भी क्या होता है कि ultimately अभिषेक झा who has done he's still trying for UPSC to crack. ठीक है अभी वो संतुष्ट नहीं है JPSC में होकर. So that is why plan A means plan A. I would like to share one thing here that in 2003 one student was here, Pankaj Kumar Bhaskar sir must be remembering and Shalendra sir also. He was staying in sector 4D and I was the class teacher. When that time, you know, as I said at the beginning, only 2,000 seats were there in IIT. And one day he told me, और ये भी नहीं होता था कि जोसा से काउंसलिंग हो रही है ऑनलाइन दिस दैट एंड ऑल और जो बच्चे 2000 बच्चे सेलेक्ट होते थे जोन वाइज डिवाइडेड रहते थे और इस जोन का खड़गपुर में रिपोर्टिंग था और खड़गपुर स्टेशन पे रेलवे स्टेशन पे एक बस आती थी और बच्चों को पिक करके खड़गपुर ले जाती थी सेंटर पे काउंसलिंग के लिए. सो वन डे पंकज टोल्ड मी मैम मैं बस इतना चाहता हूँ कि उस बस में पीछे जो वो डंडा लगा होता है मैं उस डंडे में लटक जाऊं और खड़गपुर पहुंच जाऊं. मैंने कहा आशीर्वाद है पंकज और तुम जरूर करोगे. He was very laborious, very diligent, not very intelligent, लेकिन बहुत कोशिश करने वाला बच्चा था. And above average he was. और वही पे करता है. Even if you are very intelligent, very sharp, that doesn't work. First attempt में उसका नहीं हुआ. Nowadays you know only 2 attempts. That time it was not there, no limitation. So second attempt he could crack 1800 कुछ उसका rank था. And after that when he cracked he was so happy. His mother was full of tears and when he came to school along with his mother then he said कि मैडम आप बोली थी कि ठीक है ये कर लेगा क्योंकि इसको जीवन में यही एक जज्बा था कि मुझे आईटी करना है किसी तरह घुस जाना है. तो बहुत अच्छा रैंक तो नहीं है 2000 में 1800 कुछ बट स्टिल ही गॉट सिरामिक एंड देन ही स्विच्ड ऑन. वो चला गया बाहर पीएचडी किया एंड राइट नाउ ही इज इन कनाडा एंड ही इज वर्किंग ओवर देयर. ही इज मैरिड आल्सो. लंदन ओके सर इज सेइंग दैट ही इज इन लंदन. एनीवे सो प्लान ए आई एम कमिंग बैक टू दैट. प्लान ए मतलब प्लान ए सफलता दिलाती है जीवन में. सो दैट इज व्हाई फोकस लाइक अ क्रेन. स्वान निद्रा. स्वान मीन्स dog. Yes. Sorry. So sleep like a dog means alertness. We all know that even if a dog sleeps, but if you walk in very slowly, if you step in very slowly, but still dog opens his or her eyes. So in this struggleful life, इस संघर्षपूर्ण वातावरण में हमें अलर्ट रहना है, सजग रहना है, सावधान रहना है, क्योंकि रहिए सतर्क सावधान व्यस्त, बचाइए पैसा समय और शक्ति. And this is what happens. So we should learn from a dog regarding alertness. Next is Alpahari. Alp means little and Ahar means food. ठीक है? तो here I have written balanced diet. That is okay. But control over our senses. Right input to our senses. जैसे जीभ के लिए, हमारे टंग के लिए टेस्टी फूड, दैट्स द आहार. हमारे कान के लिए आहार क्या है? टॉक, म्यूजिक, एक दूसरे से बातचीत करना. फॉर आवर आईज, सीन्स, विजन, पैनोरामिक सीन्स, एक्सेट्रा. सो कंट्रोल ओवर आवर सेंसेस, राइट इनपुट टू आवर सेंसेस. बहुत गर्मी का मौसम है, बहुत ह्यूमिड वेदर है और बिना फैन के भी बैठे हैं, एसी की तो बात अलग, लेकिन अगर मैथ्स बन रहा है, न्यूमेरिकल्स बन रहा है, तो कोई पसीना नहीं आएगा, कोई स्वेटिंग नहीं होगी. लेकिन जैसे एसी में बैठे, वेरी कंपैटिबल, वेरी कंड्यूसिव एटमॉस्फेयर, और अगर एक भी मैथ्स नहीं बना, पहला ही क्वेश्चन में स्टक, फंस गए, तो पूरा पसीने से तरबतर हो जाएंगे. Here also, I would like to share an incident. One student in 2013 batch, not from our school, but an incident I like to share over here. And his name was Aruna Ghosh. He was staying in 4F. Aruna madam knows about him. And Aruna's son and that boy, they were in the same batch. And Aruna Ghosh, he used to come to my place. And even if I used to call the students at 3 o'clock, suppose, he used to report by 2:30. And when I used to say, Arna, even if you come so early, but you are not sitting beneath the fan. Fan के नीचे तुम नहीं बैठते हो. इतनी गर्मी है, तुम्हें गर्मी नहीं लगती है? One day he said, मैम, मैं just practice करता हूँ, कोशिश करता हूँ कि अगर मेरा सेंटर किसी ऐसे स्कूल में पड़ गया जहां पे फैन भी नहीं है, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? आई विल गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड एंड डेविएटेड. एंड फॉर्चुनेटली और अनफॉर्चुनेटली हिज सेंटर वाज इन आदर्श विद्या मंदिर चास, एंड द रूम इन व्हिच ही वाज राइटिंग द एग्जाम, नो फैन वाज देयर. Okay, and the moment students were sitting, they have entered, they all were asking, पानी लाओ, ये लाओ, बहुत गर्मी है, पर्दा हटाओ, this, that and all. And instead of solving the question, students were asking and demanding for such amenities and facilities. And he was busy in his work. All of us know that what rank he got that year. And he has done his PhD in neurophysical science. And he is also posted in Canada right now. So, ladies and gentlemen, right inputs to our senses is very important in our life. We have to teach our children, we have to tell our students that every time nowadays we can see that whether they are studying or not, we do not know, but earphones is there inside their ear, and it is so hazardous, toxic. Their posture, you see, all students, we are having cervical problem, neurological problems. These problems we are having at this age, 50 plus, and nowadays students, because of this posture, they are having these problems at the age of 15 years, 16 years. Because every time they are sitting on the bed, their shoulders are not straight, and they are working on these gadgets, and in the ear, their earphones are there. We have to tell them, we have to show them, we have to give examples to these students that how much toxic these things are. So right intent, right inputs to our senses. So with this, these are the 5 characteristics which every student must possess. As a teacher, I think that I should also possess, and then only I am going to cultivate this to my students. And as I said, left hand side qualities of a student, these are the byproducts. Definitely, we all know about these qualities, and every now and then we are teaching them, we are telling them about it. Symbiotic teacher-student relationship. As I said, that these are the qualities of the students. Simultaneously, now it's come to our duties. As a teacher, okay, I will always talk about you should possess this, you should have this, ये होना चाहिए, टाइम पे खाओ, टाइम पे सो, इतने घंटे पढ़ो, इस तरह से एफर्ट्स लगाओ, हार्ड वर्क करो, अटेंशन दो, फोकस रहो, कंसंट्रेशन रहे. And what about us? We as a teacher, how we are going to inculcate these habits, and unless and until we are going to develop this, as just now Tony sir was having that wonderful lively session and said that whatever we say, we should not do. Whatever we do, that the students should do. So once we start rising early in the morning, you see, when parents are sleeping and they ask their children, very common things, you know, these things are, okay beta, उठ जाओ, 5 बज गया, स्कूल के लिए लेट हो रही है, and I am sleeping. That doesn't work, you know. आप उठिए पहले 5 बजे, बच्चे अपने आप उठ जाएंगे, देखेंगे जैसे ही किटिर पिटिर हो रही है, खिड़की खुला, मेड सर्वेंट आ गए, and the automatically students, then at the same time, if they say doing something to you, then naturally they are going to come to you to help you out. ठीक है, असिस्ट करना भी सीखेंगे, मेडिटेशन करना सीखेंगे, सुबह सुबह स्नान करके पूजा हो रही है, ये भी सीखेंगे. That is what here also. When I reach on time in the classroom, maybe after each period, you know what happens, that I go to staff room and then I have a sip of water, then I start for another class. Students are also, they also know, okay, मैडम को आने में 5 मिनट लेट है, तब तक थोड़ा सा टिफिन खा लेते हैं. In the meantime, when you enter, they are having something in their mouth. And when you ask that why did you do like that, then they will say, ma'am, I was hungry and you were not there. That is why now onwards I have stopped it. Madam, now it is inside the bench. Please, ma'am, sorry for that. What will you say? But if you do not give them time, I as a teacher, I am taking that responsibility, because without quenching, I can't go to the class. क्योंकि मेरे साथ problem है. So nowadays, I am thinking of, and sometimes I am carrying my water bottle, especially during laboratory periods. So this is what that is called symbiotic relationship between the students and the teachers, and that we must cultivate, imbibe and inculcate for our students. Next, Jibin. This is my most favorite heading and topic of the day. Count your blessings. We had an interactive session with Nilanjana Madam, importance of gratitude. We should be thankful to God कि I am healthy, I am blessed with this, I am blessed with that. आज की मॉर्निंग में देख पाई, आज टोनी सर का इंटरैक्टिव सेशन में देख पाई. बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं जो मॉर्निंग नहीं देख पाए आज का. So we should be thankful to God. So we should focus upon what should we have, what we have, rather than what we do not have. We should focus on our own gifts rather than somebody else's. मेरे पास नैनो है तो वही बहुत अच्छा है, किसी के पास लैम्बोर्गिनी है तो मुझे उससे कोई मतलब नहीं. I am contented, I am satisfied, और मेरे लिए वही सवारी सबसे अच्छी सवारी है. So we should be thankful to God. We should whatever we have. And you see, मैं चैलेंज करती हूँ, ऐसा कोई बंदा नहीं है इस दुनिया में, इस ऑडिटोरियम में अभी, जिसके पास कुछ न कुछ क्वालिटी नहीं हो. I cannot believe this. Absolutely. कोई अगर कहे कि नहीं मेरे पास तो कुछ नहीं है, आपको तो ये चांस मिला है, that is by the grace of CBSE. Otherwise, as I said, I consider myself to be nobody. ठीक है, so far as learning is concerned, I can learn from anybody, from my juniors, and my juniors, they are very talented, they are tech savvy, they are technically very sound. I am not that confident, definitely. But it doesn't mean that I am not blessed, you are not blessed with anything. I cannot draw diagram. My handwriting cannot be like Shukla ma'am. I am also going in 12 group 2, ma'am is also going in 12 group 2. When I enter the class and diagram is drawn on the blackboard, sometimes I look like this, look upon the blackboard, and then I ask the monitor, okay, you rub the blackboard. I cannot have that talent. I am not blessed with that, but it doesn't mean that I don't have any quality at all. Shalinder sir, the way he uses every inch of blackboard, I cannot reach to that level. Okay, मैं उनकी तरफ उन ऊंचाइयों को नहीं छू सकती। उस कोने से शुरू करके इस कोने तक मैं भी ब्लैकबोर्ड का भरपूर इस्तेमाल करती हूँ, but I cannot do the way Shalinder sir does. I cannot be technically so sound like Jibin, Amit, Divya ma'am, and the other computer teachers, Sushmita, and so on. I cannot speak flawless English like English teachers. Sometimes when Nilanjana madam is teaching in 12 group 2, I have to stay outside and then 1 or 2 minutes I am listening to her. Such flawless English I can't. All English teachers, we are really blessed to have them in MGM campus, in MGM school. I cannot recite Hindi poem and Sanskrit shlokas like our gems of Sanskrit department. I cannot be mathematician, maths teachers like maths teachers in MGM. Hats off to you, Ansi ma'am. When I am in chemistry lab, then I could see her passing by. Every day, every alternative, because except day 1, I have to go to chemistry lab and I can see her passing by. And then immediately after fraction of seconds, I could see her in 11 group 2 teaching. So the way she runs around, her energy, her zeal, her enthusiasm, I cannot copy. Prabha ma'am, so meticulously she makes the timetable. I do not have that much of capacity to do that. So each one of us are primary teachers. Salute to them because they prepare those tiny dots, those kids for us, and so that we can groom them for their future ahead. So each one of us is blessed with something in his or her life. Do you agree with it? Yes. Do you agree with it? If anybody disagree at any point, you can have. You see, as I said, everybody is having like different qualities. I cannot make so much lively. And the other teachers, they are doing like Tony said, we made the session so lively. It was a wonderful session. I do not have like that much of like that quality. I might not have, but if anybody wants to share his or her feelings in between, you are welcome to do that. Yes, Gurpreet.
Ma'am, we as well are blessed to have you as our teacher over here. A big round of applause for her.
Whatever the quality you have,
Thank you, I'm humbled.
I would just like to say one thing, Poonam ma'am. When you started with that shlok, Tat Cheshta Bakudhanam, I remembered my dad and the way he used to, every day in the morning at 4:30, he used to wake me up when I was a student. And the first thing that he used to say is, Chanda utho, ye samay padhne ka hai. And not only that, uske saath he used to recite this shlok. The shlok was something which was recited. So every day in the morning after my dad woke me up, this was the shlok with which I began my day. So that is it. So the moment you took, and I still remember, and I still feel that it is very important. Mindfulness, yes ma'am. I personally feel that mindfulness comes from these qualities which should be imbibed. Thank you, ma'am, for bringing this up.
Thank you so much, Chanda. I'm humbled and thanks a lot for appreciation and I'm really for these generous comments. Nilanjana madam also wants to share her feelings.
Thank you, ma'am. Actually, sorry, I'm suffering from cough and cold and I have a harsh voice. I don't know how far I'll continue, but whatever. Sweet voice, that is your positivity. I should address this one. Thank you. Thank you, Poonam ma'am. But based on this topic today, mindfulness, mindful thinking inside and outside the class. I think this is not in our school scenario every time because we are in whole, we are not in parts. So if we start from the beginning, from childhood days, from our childhood days, one thing we know and we have learned, we have heard that, be positive, right? Ma'am said something, kaak cheshta and bako, this one. So, and left side, she has listed up some qualities over there and said these are byproducts, right? What I feel, yes, obviously this byproduct and the main product, these are all interdependency there. One for the other for the one, right? And I feel that mindfulness, not only students, we are not to imbibe into our students. If we don't have, we teachers, we are to imbibe in ourselves as well, that I feel. Because someone happens in this school, even teachers to teachers. I feel very bad when I see someone who don't and who doesn't follow that ethics we are supposed to. That ethics. And yes, obviously, we are to respect even children. We learn so many things from so many people. We are to give respect to the children as well. And respect is not to be gifted to anybody else. That should be earned. We earn by our behavior, by our nature, by behaving others, and that is sensibly. That sensible behaving, actually what is the reason behind and what is the cause behind is that is mindfulness, mindful thinking and etc. So recently something happened and I, in school, and I thought, I didn't say anything else. I didn't say anything else, not utter a single word. That happened with me. And I felt bad not for me, but for the person. Here I am not to disclose the name, neither I am using any pronoun. So I felt very bad for the person, how the person has lost that respect. So mindfulness is something, be honest, be sensible, etc. So mindfulness will bear fruit for you to have all those things in your nature and behavior. So this is need of the hour. Mindful thinking is the need of the hour. And teachers to teachers, I have experienced twice with parents as well. Suppose sometimes parents they come and if we try to address something for the betterment of the student, parents says, chalega ma'am, ho jayega, etc. and etc. One student in my class, Shivesh, and Divya was asking, Shivesh, and he is rather a problematic child. He always, without any reason, habitually use slangs over there, and other students, they are, they suffer like anything, and so many times they told, man, you see, I have addressed this problem, and the child, now he has, improved a lot. So I thought, to go to the root of this problem, I called the parent came, I discussed with him, I told, let me know a little bit about the background, what he does, what about your wife and etc. Ma'am, जो करते हैं अच्छा ही करते हैं, खराब कुछ काम नहीं करते हैं. I asked him, what do you do, sir? if I know, मैम जो करते हैं अच्छा करते हैं, खराब तो कुछ नहीं करते हैं. So that is not the way. That mindfulness parents also should have. Actually, this gets our work easier to help our students. So mindfulness, right? Ma'am, that's a subject you have taken. This is the need of the hour, and we need badly. And not only students, we teachers. First, Tony sir told you just ask the students to do whatever you do. Don't preach me, Papa. Madonna says, don't preach me, Papa. That means we first start to exercise and then ask them to follow the same. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Nilanka. And can we have a big clap for all our speakers? You know, when we put our hands together, जब हम ताली बजाते हैं, तो दोनों हाथ जब एक दूसरे से जुड़ता है, तो अनायास ही हम करबद्ध प्रार्थना करते हैं भगवान के लिए, और उससे जो ध्वनि निकलती है, ऊर्जा निकलती है, that is also very useful. और जो एनर्जी निकलती है, तो एनर्जी सबको पता है कि जब बॉल ऊपर जाता है, नीचे आता है, to attain gravity, to be in a state of minimum potential energy. और जब कोई चीज टूटती है, साइंस टीचर्स दे नो, तो फिशन और फ्यूजन एनर्जी. और जब पॉजिटिव एनर्जी, उस एनर्जी से कुछ लोग बॉम्ब बना लेते हैं और कुछ लोग बिजली बनाते हैं. तो माय next giving, that is avoid negativity. But before that, please इसको पहले ही कर दो, count your blessings. Count avoid negativity के पहले just एक बात बताना चाहती हूँ कि जैसा कि मैंने कहा, हर किसी में, हर बंदे में, every individual is blessed with something in his or her life. क्या हुआ यहाँ पे, ये वाकया शेयर करना बहुत जरूरी है, मैं जरूरी समझती हूँ, ताकि we really feel motivated. जब सीता को, जानकी को रावण जो विश्व विजेता था हर कर ले गया, तो कहाँ ले गया, ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क था. सभी लोग विचार मग्न ध्यान में डूबे हुए, परेशान हैरान कि आखिर सीता है कहाँ, ये तक नहीं पता था. और भगवान की क्या स्थिति रही होगी उस समय में. इन द मीन टाइम एक संपत्ति नाम का वल्चर आया. कोई गूगल नहीं था, कोई ऐप नहीं था, नो लोकेशन, नो जीपीएस, लेकिन वो वल्चर आया और उसने कहा भगवान सीता तो अशोक वाटिका में है. तुम्हें पता कैसे चला? संपत्ति से सबने प्रश्न किया. अरे जटायु जब इस आकाश मार्ग को जा रहा था तो मैंने भांप लिया वहां से. तो ये कैसा लोकेशन था? किसी ने लोकेशन नहीं शेयर किया, कोई जीपीएस नहीं था, कोई गूगल सर्च नहीं था, लेकिन संपत्ति ने बता दिया कि सीता अशोक वाटिका में है. अब समुद्र लांघ कर कोई अशोक वाटिका जाए तो कैसे जाए? वानरों की सेना पूरी थी वहां पे तैयार. तो भगवान बोल रहे थे अब कौन जाएगा. एंड वन आफ्टर अनदर सभी वानरों ने दे वॉश्ड देयर हैंड्स ऑफ. मुझसे तो ना होगा, ये समुद्र कौन लांघेगा, ना मेरे से नहीं होगा, आई कांट डू दिस, आई कांट डू दैट. एक एक करके सब अलग होते चले गए. तभी जामवंत आया और जामवंत बोला कि भगवान उस कोने में जो बैठा हुआ है बानर हनुमान, वो कर लेगा, वो समुद्र लांघ लेगा. भगवान ने कहा तुम्हें कैसे पता जामवंत? जामवंत ने कहा हाँ भगवान, मुझे पता है उसके पास अपार शक्ति है, उसके पास अद्भुत क्षमता है, वो बहुत बलशाली है, वो इतना प्रभावशाली है कि आप उसको ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देकर तो देखिए. और जामवंत ने जब कहा तो भगवान ने हनुमान से कहा कि ये इनिशिएटिव लेने के लिए. और उसके बाद जो हनुमान ने कर्तव्य दिखाया वो तो मेरा टॉपिक भी नहीं है और वो कहने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. फादर इज नॉट हियर एक्चुअली. फादर इज द रियल जामवंत फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. ही नोज whom should be given to what class, whom should be given comparing, whom should be given sitting arrangement and all. He knows about the talents of each one of us. We as a teacher, when we go to class, ठीक है, as a class teacher, आज 11A का assembly है, तो we know कि who is the singing choir of that class, who can give message nicely, ठीक है, कौन अच्छी तरह डांस कर सकता है. लेकिन वैसा बच्चा, वैसा स्टूडेंट जो आज तक कभी स्टेज पर चढ़ा ही नहीं, जिसने एक भी बात कभी कही नहीं, जिसने कोई करतब नहीं दिखाए, जिसने कोई परफॉर्मेंस नहीं दिया, उसके लिए भी हमें जामबंद बनना पड़ेगा. I am given class 12A and every day I am trying to be jamband. Maybe it's a failure for me, but I am not able to bring them up with such qualities. But my motive was, my objective is to tell you that when we go to our classes, we have to be jamband. We have to identify the talents of each one of them. Okay, now it's avoid negativity. So we can't change people, we can't change the world, we can't change the attitude of anybody, you know. If somebody says that she's no good for this gathering, she's a misfit for today's address. Okay, how can she speak? How she is given this responsibility? I don't know. Now in front of so many people, somebody has insulted me and I am extremely hurt. When I go to home, what happens? Whenever you are hurt, you share with your family, friends. When you share with your family, then they will say, ignore it, forget about it. चलो मूवी देख कर आते हैं, चलो कुछ शॉपिंग करा के लाते हैं, ये सब बात को दिमाग से हटा दो, ठीक है, ये नेगेटिव चीज नहीं रहने दो, जहां था वहीं पे छोड़ दो. But it not happens every time. If this painting is good, it's okay. If painting irritates me, तो उस पेंटिंग को for the rest of my life I should leave there only. But what happens? Sometimes it automatically comes over here. आ जाता है. तो लो एनर्जी वाली चीजें, लो वाइब्रेशंस वाली भी आ जाती हैं अनायास ही. What we should do? Sometimes we say, she is horrible. He is so irritating. It is my perception. He might not be according to somebody else's. लेकिन उससे उसका तो कुछ नहीं बिगड़ता है, लेकिन मेरे दिमाग में ये हॉरिबल, इरिटेटेड, नैगिंग, ये लो वाइब्रेशंस वाली चीजें जो है घूमती रहती हैं, एंड दे आर गोइंग टू सप्रेस, दे आर गोइंग टू डिग्रेड, they are going to deplete us, you know, in every respect. चाहे attitude हो, energy हो, vibrations हो, तो negativity plays a vital role in depletion, just like ozone layer, my dear friends. And here I would like to share a very small story, you know. I could not prepare any video and all, तो मैं उसको छोटा सा एक स्टोरी 1 मिनट का जस्ट बताना चाहती हूँ कि एक गांव में बहुत सारे मेढक थे. कुछ लोग सुने भी होंगे, बहुत सारे मेढक थे, और उन मेढकों में एक होड़ हुई, एक कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पिरिट जगा कि चलो गांव में एक बिल्डिंग बन रही है तो उस बिल्डिंग पे चढ़ते हैं. तो जैसे ही सब इकट्ठा हुए तो एक दो मेढक बोला, अच्छा बड़ा आया बिल्डिंग पे चढ़ने वाला, चढ़ पाएगा क्या? अच्छा नहीं चढ़ पाऊंगा. You should always be surrounded by positive people. Negative people का काम क्या? तुमसे नहीं होगा. साइंस दिला दिए बेटा को 88% में, मेरा बेटा तो 96% लाकर भी बहुत खराब कर रहा है. So you should always be surrounded by positive people. तो कुछ मेढक जो है जैसे ही बोला तुमसे ना होगा, तुम्हारे बस की बात नहीं है, वो पीछे हट गया. थोड़ी दूर चल चल कर जाना था उस बिल्डिंग तक, बढ़ते चले गए. कुछ लोग, अरे तू तो बड़ा मोटा है, तुम तो और नहीं चढ़ पाएगा, और कुछ लोग बैकफुट पे चले गए. फाइनली 15-20 मेढक चढ़ना शुरू किए. जब फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे चढ़े, अच्छा फर्स्ट तक चला गया, देखे सेकंड तक कैसे जाता है, वो वहीं से उतर गया ना। कहीं कोई एक्सीडेंट हो गया, गिर गिर गया तो क्या होगा। कुछ तीसरा चौथा 10 मंजिला बिल्डिंग था, सब कोई उतरते गए वन आफ्टर अनदर। एक मेढक था जो एकदम पीक पे चढ़ गया। अब क्या है, नीचे सब लोग वेट कर रहे थे बेसब्री से। मीडिया वाले आजकल कहीं पे कुछ भी छोटा मोटा इंसिडेंट होगा घेर के खड़े हो जाएंगे, तो मीडिया वाले वेट कर रहे थे, अच्छा ये मेढक तो एकदम टॉप पे पहुंचा है, लेट्स सी, लेट हिम कम डाउन। एंड व्हेन ही केम डाउन दैट फ्रॉग, तो जब उससे पूछा गया हाउ डिड यू रीच एट द टॉप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग, कैसे आप ये कर पाए, मेढक बोला आई he was a deaf. You should turn deaf towards negativities. Then only you are going to reach to the pinnacle of your life, my dear teachers, friends and educators, you know. क्योंकि बहुत क्या कहें, इस दुनिया में बहुत संघर्ष है। बच्चों को भी सिखाना है कि स्कूल में तो बस इतनी सी बात हो रही है, इसी में परेशान हो। 1 घंटे का 40 मिनट्स का पीरियड नहीं टॉलरेट कर पाते हो। अभी से जब इंजीनियरिंग मेडिकल में जाओगे 2 आवर्स, उसके बाद एमबीए में जाओगे 4 घंटे दिन में कंटिन्यूअस, और होल नाइट 2 o'clock 3 o'clock तक सेशंस चलेंगे ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन, एंड नेक्स्ट वेरी डे यू हैव टू शो योर प्रेजेंटेशन एज वेल। तो बहुत संघर्षपूर्ण दुनिया है, बहुत पॉलिटिक्स है, बहुत नेगेटिव पीपल है, बहुत कुछ है। तो हमें बच्चों को ये सिखाना है, ह्यूमन बीइंग पहले अच्छा बनाना है, ठीक है। आईआईटी तो एक पेंटिंग है, आईआईटी तो एक पेंटिंग है, और पीछे जो कैनवास है वो है वंडरफुल ह्यूमन बीइंग। मनुष्य बनना, अ गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग बनना, दैट्स द कैनवास, ठीक है। और आईआईटी तो जस्ट एक पेंटिंग है, थोड़ा सा मेहनत करोगे, थोड़ा सा प्रयत्न करोगे, अरे क्या है, बस फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स पढ़ना है। जिस दिन ठान लिए तो जीत है, मान लिए तो हार है, और इसलिए आगे बढ़ते जाना है। सो अवॉइड नेगेटिविटी इन लाइफ, एंड वी हैव टू कल्टिवेट एंड वी हैव टू ग्रूम एंड टीच आवर चिल्ड्रन एज वेल। एज आई सेड, कल्टिवेशन ऑफ mindful thinking inside and outside the classroom. Okay, next topic. Next is benefits of spirituality. What I believe is that discipline comes through spirituality. Spirituality doesn't mean that you have to sit on the floor, recite mantras and then offer this, that and all, हमेशा ठीक है फूल माला लेकर बैठे, मंत्र चैंट कर रहे हैं, भोग लगा रहे हैं, ये कोई जरूरी नहीं है। Spirituality means enhancing your inner belief system, lightening torch, guiding the mentors and taking the guide from the mentors. कोई भी हो सकता है आपके जीवन में आपका मेंटोर, भगवान भी हो सकते हैं, माता पिता भी हो सकते हैं, भाई बहन भी हो सकता है। किसी न किसी को आपको एक आदर्श बनाना होगा, और जब सुबह उठते हैं तो प्रेयर के दौरान उन्हें याद करना होगा। मेडिटेशन, एक्सरसाइजेस, योगा, this also comes under spirituality, which definitely gives discipline to our children. ठीक है, ये बहुत जरूरी है आज के भाग दौड़ की जिंदगी में। बच्चों को टाइमली उठना, सूरज नहीं देखते हैं बच्चे, ये सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्रीज में काम करते हैं, जो सूर्य नहीं देखा सुबह में, उगते हुए सूरज को और ढलते हुए सूरज को, शाम में जो ऑक्सीजन मिलता है और जो सुबह में, ये बच्चे नहीं देख पाते हैं। दिस इज डिसिप्लिन। स्पिरिचुअलिटी, इट गिव्स यू, इट स्ट्रेंथन्स योर इनर बिलीफ सिस्टम। बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ, चार्ज योरसेल्फ। चार्ज डजंट मीन दैट अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठे, आंख खोले और मोबाइल 18% चार्ज है उसकी चिंता है, लेकिन बॉडी इतना डिस्चार्ज हो गया, डिजेनरेट हो गया, 500 स्टेप देने में भी सोचना पड़ता है, किसी तरह गिरते पड़ते 655 में पंच करना है उसकी चिंता रहती है। तो उसके लिए जल्दी उठना है, एक डिसिप्लिन लाना है, एंड दैट इज व्हाट स्पिरिचुअलिटी इज। एंड आफ्टर डूइंग ऑल दिस माइंडफुलनेस, माइंडफुल थिंकिंग, that is, as I said at the beginning, efforts, then focus, alertness, right inputs to our senses, then about Grihatyagi, I did not say, I think Grihatyagi, have I forgot or I have discussed? Griha means home and Tyagi means to give up. It doesn't mean कि ठीक है बोरिया बिस्तर लेकर जंगल चले गए. Grihatyagi means coming out from our comfort zones. Coming out, leave our comfort zones. Nowadays also students, ancient times they were going to Gurukul. Gurukul means school. Nowadays also they are coming from outside, they are staying in hostel, they are staying in outhouse. So that means sacrifice. Unless and until they do sacrifice in their life, they are not going to be successful. And at last, after doing all this, symbiotic relationship, avoiding negativities, counting our blessings and benefits of spirituality, फिर भी अगर कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, just do it. Jump and do it. This is the tagline of Nike event, just do it. ठीक है, आंधी आएगी, तूफान आएंगे, ऑब्स्टिकल्स आएंगे, हेल्थ क्राइसिस होगा, फाइनेंशियल मार्केट अप्स एंड डाउन होंगे, राइवलरी होगी, लोग रिवेंजफुल होंगे, बहुत सारी बाधाएं आएंगी, बहुत सारे हिंड्रेंस आएंगे, ऑब्स्टिकल्स आएंगे, बट यू हैव टू मार्च अहेड, यू हैव टू मूव अहेड, एंड दिस इज द मूल मंत्र ऑफ लाइफ। ठीक है, कोई कुछ भी कहे, बिना किए हम कैसे समझेंगे कि फिजिक्स टफ है, केमिस्ट्री टफ है, हिंदी में याद नहीं हो रहा है, संस्कृत टफ लग रहा है। सो दैट इज व्हाई यू हैव टू जंप एंड डू इट। समय की शिला पर मधुर लेख कितने किसी ने बनाए, किसी ने मिटाए। थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीवन। Just this is not my part of this presentation. Just one thing I would like to ask you, that why we should be proud to be a teacher. Anyone? Why should we proud to be a teacher?
In a nutshell, we can say, because we can enlighten the life of others. This much capability we have.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Bhavesh sir. Anybody else? Why should we proud to be a teacher?
शिक्षक साधारण नहीं होता. So a teacher is one human being who can bring around a lot of changes in a particular person or people at large, and hence has the capacity to change the society and the future. Thank you.
Very good. Can we have a big clap for them, Sangeeta and Bhavesh sir? Thank you so much. और किसी को? भास्कर sir.
Teacher is divine call.
Thank you sir. मैं बस एक लाइन यहाँ पे कहना चाहती हूँ कि अगर कोई गलती से, बेईमानी से डॉक्टर बन जाता है तो अपने पूरे जीवन काल में कुछ जाने लेता है। अगर कोई गलती से इंजीनियर बन गया, सिविल इंजीनियर अगर है, कोई पुल अगर गड़बड़ बन गया तो कुछ जाने जाएगी। अगर कोई पैसे देकर वकील बन गया तो कुछ अपनी वकालत से कुछ केसेस को खराब करेगा। लेकिन हम वो हैं जो, हमें विधायक कोई एमएलए एमपी नहीं जानता, कोई लाल बत्ती की गाड़ी में नहीं चलते, बनाते हम ही हैं लेकिन चलते नहीं। कोई विधायक, कोई एमएलए, एमपी हमें नहीं जानता. We are not highly paid. We are not known for that कि पैकेज कितना है, this, that and all. ठीक है, डॉक्टर बने तो कुछ जान ले लिया कोई, वकील, इंजीनियर, लेकिन we teachers, हम जो शिक्षक हैं, गुरु हैं, हम तो पीढ़ी को आगे ले जाने की बजाय अगर गलती से बन गए, गलत शिक्षा का न्याय से, तो पीछे ले जाते हैं. So we teachers, we make generations and therefore we should be proud to be a teacher, and I'm really proud to be a teacher. Thank you very much. Thank you all for your patient hearing. I know very well that I could not make the session lively, and simultaneously I would like to thank Amit, Jibin and all the support staff for their help and support. Without this could really not have been a possible one. As you can see, I am not that technically sound. Somehow I could manage few these PPT PowerPoint presentations, and I could not bring videos for you people, but still I have tried a little and small effort by me. Thank you once again everyone.
First of all, thank you, ma'am, for selecting this wonderful topic, an insightful topic. As Nilanjana ma'am has already said, that it is a need of an hour. And thank you, ma'am, for sharing your knowledge through this platform and filling this air with lots of positivity and hope. Thank you, ma'am, for opening the old diaries, refreshing the glorious history of NGM, and reminding once again about the hard work and pain of all the mentor teachers. When you share your talent with others and want others to be talented as you, then it means you have that good human being qualities in you. So thank you, ma'am, for sharing your talent through this platform. Thank you, teachers, once again for your participation. Mark the attendance before you leave.